have time, and we were going to talk about some of those eventuals today. Beginning with the time Frank killed Kennedy. Frank desperately has to pee. Holy shit, does he have to pee? He has never let him pee so much in his life. Even though he no longer has testicles, the base of his dog penis has swollen in such a way that now it looks like he's spilling 2 giant balls anyway. It makes him briefly miss the good old days of being able to ejaculate dog semen. What a time that had been! But that's the past. All that really matters now is finding a place to pee. There's a problem with that, of course. He can't find any grass. This is why he hates cities. It's nothing but concrete. Who wants to pee on concrete? Not Frank. Frank is a dachshund. He's too low to the ground. Peeing on concrete means risking getting splashed with his own pee. Frank hates getting splashed with pee, especially his own. Everything gets sticky and takes too long to dry. No, thank you. Not only does this city not have any grass, but today, every single goddamn human who lives in Dallas seems to be outside, just standing around talking, making lots of noise. None of them seem to notice him, which he finds annoying, because usually humans will at least give him a little pet, or perhaps give him a biscuit of some kind. Instead, they ignore him, blocking his view of grass. He considers no one once peeing on someone's shoe, but understands that's how you book a one-way ticket to the dog pound. What the hell is everybody even doing outside right now anyway? It's hot as hell out, especially for November. Don't they have houses? Don't they have jobs? Also, why do they have the roads blocked? This whole day is stupid and annoying. He never should have traveled to Texas, especially Dallas. Dallas is a bad place and he hates it. God damn it, he has to do. Maybe he'll just risk going to the street and... Wait a second. What's that? Is that grass? Hell yeah, it's grass. Hell of grass. Plenty of people might be standing around it, but so what? Frank isn't shy. He hustles to the grassy slope and begins sniffing, searching for the filthy spot. Milk is chilly. Some dickhead tells him to get away, and Frank dodges a rolled-up newspaper from hitting his ass. He runs high up the slope, his plaid all ready to burst. Finally, next to a wooden fence at the top of the grass, he finds some solitude. He squats, so happy he can barely believe it. This is the moment he's been waiting for all afternoon. It's finally happening, except it's not. Nothing's coming out. Oh no! He waited so long and now he can't pee. Goddamn you, pee! It's no use. Nothing's happening. Down at the bottom of the slope, suddenly everybody's making noise. Loud, annoying noise. Are they making fun of him? Those insensitive sons of bitches, he wishes he could pee on them all. Make everybody sticky and wet. See how they like being a dog? Well, maybe that's not such a bad idea. Usually, Frank simply squats to pee. He doesn't buy into that whole leg lifting business. Who does he have to impress, right? But maybe he could find some use in lifting his leg just as once. Because then he can aim his dog penis in all of Dallas and really let loose. It takes some doing, considering how small his legs might be. But he eventually manages an awkward stance with his little red rocket pointed straight at the street. He counts to 3. Yeah, dogs know how to count. He tries to pee with every ounce of strength inside him. And that was the first time Frank ever pissed a bullet. And this is Frank. And this is Frank goes Whacko and Waco. Someone's outside! Someone's outside! Frank screams, bouncing up and down the front hill. Although none of the humans in the compound understand what he is saying, it is pretty easy to guess what he means. Who is it? Who is it? He says. Are they friends? Are they going to play? Frank doesn't expect an answer from them. Everybody seems on edge. And they keep looking at each other the same way they had in the day Spot had to be put down. Is he nervous and afraid? But afraid of what? Maybe the people outside are not friends. Maybe they are bad people. Maybe they don't like threats of Frank and his Waco family. But we gonna fight? I'll fight anybody. I'll kill them all if I have to. One of the humans holds out his hand, telling him to hush. How can Frank hush at a time like this? We're about to fight. You don't get quiet before a fight. You get loud. You get mad. You also pee a little bit out of excitement. Thankfully, nobody seems to notice the trickle that escapes him and immediately stains the filthy. They're too busy making those strange sticks go boom out the window. Everybody is mad now. Everybody is screaming. Frank thinks maybe they noticed the pee after all, but no, everybody is looking out the windows. At the intruders! Intruders! Let's kill them! Frank screams, running around and howling. Let's kill them all! Then, just as Frank's rage intensifies to a blind bloodlust, one of the windows shadows a mysterious round object and lands in the living room. It rolls a little bit before coming to a stop. Frank cocks his head, confused. Oh? Frank says, oh shit, wait guys! These guys had balls! They brought balls! Kill them! Frank pounces on the new ball just as smoke begins whistling out of its cracks. Frank to Chicago, and something happened, so I'm going to tell you about it. This is called Frank Eats a Chicago Dog. The one thing Frank has ever been told about Chicago is how good the Chicago dogs taste. So when he finally finds some time to visit the windy city, he remains on the lookout for one of these infamous treats. Not many dachshunds must live in the area because the whole time he's walking around, humans keep smiling and pointing at him and shouting, "Oh, look, it's a Whacko dog!" He nods back at them expecting some kind of meaty surprise, but nobody's offering him anything, so fuck him. He keeps on trotting along, enjoying the nice breeze from Lake Michigan. What a great city, he thinks. The temp is nice, the people are friendly. Now if only he can find He stops in his tracks in front of a building called Bucket of Blood, Books and Records. Eyes glued on another dog. This made no sense when I read it. Bucket of Blood. Eyes glued on another dog hanging out on the sidewalk near the entrance. Not only another dog, but another dachshund. Just like Frank, except this dog. His long brown hill. Unlike Frank's trimmed black coat. It's the first time he's seen another one of his breed in months. And the sighting takes him by surprise, especially because, for some reason, she has on long boots, and someone has strapped a small human's bra around her chest, as well as it looks like Andy right on one side. What the hell kind of costume is this, Frank thinks, slowly approaching. She doesn't seem to notice him, though, as she's too busy shouting at every human who passes. "Hey, honey!" she shouts at one man, in what only can be described as an old smoker's voice. "Hey, beautiful!" she shouts at another person. Nobody pays him much attention. Hello, Frank says, almost in a whisper, standing behind him. The dachshund jumped around, surprised, and smiles at him. "Hey, baby!" she shouts, despite being only a foot away from him. "You ever eat a Chicago dog?" As a matter of fact, Frank says, that's exactly what I've been looking for. I've been told so many good things. "Ah, shit, honey," she says, and calls for 20 long seconds without a break. Then continues. "Sounds like you came to the right place." "You can help me with this Chicago dog," Frank says. "That depends, baby," she says, then glances around the front of Bucket of Blood, Books and Records, suddenly paranoid, and drops her voice when she says, "You happen to know your way around a thing of peanut butter good looking?" "It's been a minute," Frank says, "but I think I remember the basics." "Hell yeah, honey," she shouts again, excited. "Why don't you follow me inside? It was a little private." Frank nods and says, "Yes, ma'am," and follows the strange dachshund into the bookshop. She leads him to his private room in the back and introduces him to all the peanut butter any two dogs could ever dream of licking off each other's dog dicks and dog vaginas. Oh, and because of the Chicago, there was also a thing of pickles in there.